You can never do anything without garlic powder, in my opinion. Alright guys, today we're making fajita chicken. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's low carb. It's fucking awesome. It's tasty, trust me. First step is to cut some chicken breasts up. I get boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and about 3/4 of a pound to 1 pound is good for just me, so adjust accordingly. Alright, so I got that tendon out of there. I don't like that very much. And then I just take the good chicken breast and cut it into like little cubes. And if you have big chicken breasts, just cut them in half or whatever. And cut up all your chicken and put it in a bowl. That's step one. Okay, so now that we got all our chicken diced up, I got all my ingredients out. Alright, so first we've got organic extra virgin olive oil. I get these on Amazon. They come in 4 different flavors. Usually I got lemon. The chili will make it spicy if you want. I think I'll probably just go lemon today. And you can never do anything without garlic powder, in my opinion. I like pepper. And then I gotta choose. I just grabbed these seasonings from the store. I got fajita and I got Caribbean style jerk. So I think today we'll go fajita. Fajita is great. Besides, that's what I plan on making this video for, is fajita chicken. So, bam. We got these guys ready. Okay. All we have to do to prep this is get our olive oil out. And if I'm following a recipe, I do what they say to do. But this is my recipe, so I just pour shit in. I don't really measure anything. So, you tell me how much. But I just pour a little bit of olive oil on there. And what I'm going to try to do with that olive oil is coat all the chicken. So use that as a measurement of how much you think you should put in there. So I've got my olive oil. And this fajita seasoning, this is what we're going to put a shitload of in here. So you can see I'm not shy with that. And I also am not shy with garlic salt. And some pepper. Works for me. Now, you just use your hands and just kind of mash it all together. Just mix this shit up real good. What we're trying to do is get all the little chicken pieces all coated. The olive oil is going to do 2 things. It's going to make the seasoning like stick on the chicken and make every little piece really tasty. And it's also going to make sure that it doesn't stick to the skillet, so we don't have to mess with putting butter in our skillet or coconut oil or anything like that, which that would be fine, but this way you don't have to fuck with it. And that's probably pretty good. And then, since I'm a seasoning fiend, I usually hit it one more time. I usually cook more chicken than this, but this is what came in the package, so that's what we're doing today. Alright, I think step 2 is done. Now I'm going to actually put that in my refrigerator for a while, and I'm going to come back and cook it up later. Alright, we're ready for the final step. We got our chicken all prepared. Had it sitting in the fridge for a while. I just heated up a skillet. I didn't do anything to it. There's nothing in there. And I'm just going to put all this chicken in there. And I'm just going to grill it like that for several minutes until it's all cooked, all the pieces are cooked. Okay, we're pretty much there. This chicken is all cooked. It only took about, I don't know, 5 minutes or less. And now we got the finishing touches. I got a piece of pepper jack cheese right there. And I like this kind of salsa, but just get the salsa you like that doesn't have a bunch of sugar in it. This is about done, so I'm just going to pour it all in there. Not that cheese. And I think this is key, is to do all this in the skillet when it's still hot. You could take the chicken out and mix cheese, like shredded cheese if you like, but this will make it kind of gooey. It'll taste really good. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. You can also put other stuff in here. I'm kind of just doing it plain today, but a lot of times I'll throw some sauteed onions in there, sauteed mushrooms. I'm not a big bell pepper guy, but you can certainly do that if you like. See how cheese melts and everything mixes up with the salsa, and I've gotten plenty of compliments on this dish. Now traditionally you would throw it in a tortilla and put some sour cream in it and stuff like that. Guacamole, lettuce. All of those things are good except for the tortilla. I'm pretty simple, pretty plain guy, so I'm just going to throw it in a bowl and eat it with a fork. I'll probably throw some sour cream in there just for the hell of it, but that's all there is to it, man. Try out the chicken fajitas. I promise you're going to love them. Till next time, cheers.